twister. Okay po, may tatlo tayong words. First word is siapaw, next is siamay, and last is suman, okay? Bibilisan nyo lang like this. Siapaw, siamay, suman. Ganun lang, okay? O, who want to go first? Taas kamay. Halika dito, baby girl. Halika dito. Ayan. Ready si Aligi. Excuse muna po. Hello. What's your name? Okay, Kisha. Say siapaw. Siamay. Suman. Ba't parang naging sungay? Suman. Oh, one more. Siapaw. Okay, twice ikaw. Siapaw. Isa pa, one more. Ayan na naman nata. Sige, ate, bigyan na lang natin ng prize si baby girl. O, dahil very good ka, baby. Here's your prize. Thank you. O, here's your prize. Okay, next na natin. Halika dito, ate. Ang ganda ng outfit mo. Halika dito.